having a good time at home with your family? Are you washing your hands for 20 seconds? I hope so. So today I am going to take you on a walk with me. I'm with my family out at a forest preserve near my house. And do you remember which study we're studying? Trees. Who guessed that right? I'm so proud of you guys. So while I'm out on my walk with my family, I am going to be looking for things that come from trees. Do you remember the sign for trees? And do you remember when there are lots of trees together, it's called a forest? Here's how you sign forest. Tree, 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 tree. Lots of trees together is a forest. When I'm walking in the forest preserve, I'm going to be looking for things that come from trees. I am going to be looking for sticks, branches, leaves, acorns, bark, boughs, pines, and pine cones. I bet you have a place near your house where you can go on a walk and look for trees and things that come from trees too. Maybe your backyard, maybe a park, a walk through your neighborhood. I hope you have fun looking for things that come from trees too. Let's go. Here's Denny and my dog Mara. Hi Mara. Who's a good girl? Come on. And Maddie's with us too. So here's the forest. See how there are many, many, many trees? This tree has a tree trunk. Let's see if I can point to it. Right there. It also has this really huge tree branch. Look at this huge tree that I found. It is taller than my house. I think it's taller than our school. That is really, really tall with a lot of branches way up high.
Hey, I found you guys some bark.
Where did you find that?
Over there.
We need to find some leaves.
There's so many to choose from. How many do you want?
I don't know, 5?
One, two, three, 4, 5.
That's awesome, Maddie. Thanks for your help. We were walking along and I said, we need to find a nest. And right then, Denny said, there's a nest. It's a squirrel nest. Wow, look at this huge piece of bark next to Denny's foot. Jen, put your foot there so we can see how big it is. It's way bigger than Denny's foot. That is a very long piece of bark. What did you find, Den?
White seeds that are like helicopters.
Let's see. Oh, today is the first day of spring, and I think Mother Nature knows it too. Look, there are buds on this tree already. Those are going to be leaves, and they're going to be beautiful. I didn't find any pines or pine cones at the forest preserve, but I knew my neighborhood would have some, so I went for a quick walk, and I found all kinds of boughs and pines and pine cones. Let's go inside and go check it all out. Hey, so we just got back from the forest preserve, and I have 2 big bags full of stuff that I found. We have branches. Look how big those are. This one still has some bark on it. We have bark. We have all kinds of different sizes of sticks. We have this thin, short one. We have this little bit thicker, long one. This one is thicker. This one's pretty thick too. I would call that a branch, maybe. Put it over here. This is more of a stick. And then lots of leaves. In this bag around my neighborhood, I found more sticks, a couple of pine cones, some boughs. When there are a lot of pine needles, like this is a pine needle, when there are lots of pine needles together, that makes a bough. And then when there are lots of boughs together, you have a great big pine tree. What else do I have from the neighborhood? More leaves, more sticks. I'm going to put them all out and I'm going to group them together. And then we'll compare them and tally them up to see which items we collected more of. Okay, here I go. First, let's count the sticks. It looks like we have a lot of sticks. I am going to predict that we have more sticks than we do of other items. But we do have a lot of leaves and we have a lot of boughs. I don't know, it's going to be pretty close, but let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a big one. Are you with me? That's number 7. Here's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oops, there's some bark. That goes over here. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh my gosh, I can't hold many more. Here's more bark. I'm going to put that over here. This is 20. We have 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Some are skinny and long, and others are a little chubby, and some are a little short. This one's a little chubby and short, but we have 30 sticks. Now let me show you how I'm going to count 30 sticks. Here's where it says sticks, and I'm going to use tally marks. When you tally, you count to 5 and you make a cross and you start another group, kind of like sticks. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Across. 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 Now that allows me to look and go right away. That's 5. That's 5. That's 5. Because I know there's a cross there. So all of those together add up to 30. We have 30 sticks. Now I'm going to do the same thing with all of our other items and we'll see which ones we have more of. Okay, here I go. We don't have any acorns. Those are all the items we found while we were on our walk at the Forest Preserve and in my neighborhood. Now, if you look just at the tallies, can you see which one has more without even counting? I noticed that there are more sticks than any other item that we found while we were on our walk. There are 30 sticks. We predicted that the leaves would be a pretty close second, and we were right. There are 24 leaves. And the least number of items we found were acorns. We did not find any acorns at all. Now, when you go for your walk, I hope that you find some really interesting items, and you can reply to our seesaw and let us know what you found. I want to ask you, when you're looking for items to find, make sure you find at least one really interesting leaf, because we're going to do a fun activity later this week, and you'll need a leaf to do it. Have fun.